morning, everybody. Welcome back in this new trading session with Apex Trader funding accounts. We have 16 of them, and we are here to trade. Market right now pushed higher, and it grabbed right away the liquidity above. And we consolidated a lot during pre-market session. Yesterday we messed up with this another trade, but we've done great on the first one. I can definitely do better on a first trade. That's what I noticed for the moment. But let's see how it evolves. Hello, guy, man. What's up, my friend? You're the first one today. First one here. Welcome back, brother. And how is everybody there? Oh, I need to move this here to the left side. I need to close a few pages. My PC was ready to go live stream and then it turned black. Hello, Knut. Hello, Alfonso. Ciao, Alfonso. I call you Alfonso, but hey, guys, how are you? How are you guys? How are you? I'm good. You can see that I'm still catching up right now. My two monitors here are still not ready, so I'm gonna prepare them. So I have NQ there. NQ mixed. Look at these shit things in the last period. We got a lot of mixed situation there. Still, the 1 hour chart is green somehow. Let's see the stocks. Let me see this. Where is the full screen here? Can you see something in this full screen now? Another one. Okay. Not this one. What the heck? Why it does not show me the other one? I have like two browsers in front of me and it keeps selecting the only. Oh my god. Piece of crap. Piece of crap. Piece of crap. La 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 la. Okay, that means if I move here is okay. That's good. So I can do this and do this. That's good. So yeah, the 1 hour chart is still there, green, kind of still pushing, still in the buy zone, 30 minutes on the sell zone, but I think it's still better to buy right now than sell. So I'm gonna be biased on a buy side again. As well, 5 minutes here, still green. We'll look on that direction as well today. Hello, I haven't typed. A lot of people stay on the stream schedule for 19. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. I put more schedules because I was like it's a good thing, but in the reality, it might be a bad thing. What the heck? Let me see people that they commented there. Oh, can I see it? Can I see people commenting in other live stream already? I would be. I'm not sure. Can I click on it? I would be so funny if there are people. Yes, that is here. That's funny. I thought I was like I did the right things to have more lives on the futures so people know. Instead, it came out to be not the right idea. I see people going in the wrong page. But how are you guys there? How are you? I'm just looking still. Oh my god. You're gonna hear my voice twice. You're gonna hear my voice twice. Sorry. Why? Why? I have to decrease the power of these things. I think it's giving me some problems on my PC. And decrease the power of these. Oh man, alhamdulillah, good. I'm gonna text you. We're gonna meet this weekend. I'm coming in Luxembourg this weekend. We're gonna meet, brother. I just arrived 2 days ago. Still jet lagged by a lot. And the Amps is already dressing in American gang style. I got that things, guys. Now anymore. I'm here. This is the hoodie of Apex, of the old symbol ATF.com that is not anymore Apex, but I'm coming, brother. Do you have a delay in the stream? You have to select lower. If you have to be careful if you have delay active, but in my stream, what I put selection there, stream activity, I don't put delays. I avoid delays. So let's first, guys, analyze a little bit quick the market here. Opening print. Daily chart, I think it's still positive anyway, but we're gonna check it. We didn't grab any highs and any lows for the moment. This is the low of yesterday, and this is the high of yesterday. So that's good to know. We're gonna put it there. So we can still grab a high, and we are still definitely totally bullish here, guys. 1 hour. Okay, we grab these highs, but let's see. This is the opening print level. It's quite interesting situation right now. Is it gonna be enough for this to push continue higher? That's very interesting. 5 minutes. Let's go back to the 5 minutes. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful candle there, guys. I would like to be aggressive on this candle, to be honest. I might be aggressive on it. Break higher in continuation. I will take it. I'm gonna put the order. I like this candle, how it's right now closing strong. We're gonna go back above the opening print level. I'm gonna take the continuation of it. I need to be sure that I'm gonna get filled everywhere. By the way, I have right now the 32-inch screen in front of me, and it's much better. It's much better. I'm feel long, guys. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this or not. I'm gonna keep it. I like that candle that was created, and hopefully we can get some pushing situation, but today's game is gonna test patience out of people. Let's see tomorrow gonna be a FOMC meeting. Today you say patience, and then you're gonna kick me right now on a patience kill. Siddharth. Hello Siddharth, by the way. I saw you commented in the other video live stream. Today, Tuesday, we have news at 10 a.m. by the way, so still have 20 minutes. Oh, 20 minutes, yes. Let's see. Long from 8:30. By the way, remember, guys, to move to the new contract. Move to the new contract, guys. Just to let you know, move to the new contract, U5. NQ05 or MNQ5, whatever, NQ5 or MNQ if you're using micro. or ES as well, ES U5. That's the new contract you have to use, or ES U5, you're using macro. That's the new contract right now, has more volume and has more liquidity. So just move to the new contract and get stopped out with me on this trade. Bit aggressive? Maybe yes, and I will be, oh. No way. How the fuck it's possible that I got 28 point slippage? How the fuck it's possible? Sorry guys the words, but I have to do it. How the fuck it's possible that I got a fucking 1 second candle destroyed me that much? My stop loss was somewhere here, below here. How the fuck it's possible? The fuck is this 1 second candle, guys? Broke view up, doesn't matter. Fucking 28, freaking 31 points in 1 second. Guys, I got, no jokes, I had a $200 stop loss there. And I got a slippage of it of, I'm gonna show you. I had a stop loss of 22,067 and I got filled at 22,037.50. So a 30 point slippage. 30 points. I've never seen it. I never got it in my life. 30 point slippage. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because it's memory. This is never happened in my life, so this is a memory. I'm gonna take a screenshot of it. A 30 point slippage, guys. So how the heck? Oh my god, guys, my god. That's insane, guys. That's insane. That is really insane. Anything but that was insane. That was insane. My stop loss was here and I got a slippage of 30 points. Even that's insanity. So now I'm already at max loss. So that is the point. Now I'm already at max loss. So right now I cannot trade anymore. That sucks, right? That sucks. I mean, I guess I took the first trade here too early, but it doesn't matter if my stop loss is was a freaking $190 stop loss, and I get a freaking $430 stop loss instead of 180, more than double. So how the heck? this can be a mental break. These things can take you to a really bad situation on your mental state when you're trading. These things here can take you and revenge trading badly. Really revenge trade badly. That was my stop loss. And this is where I got filled. Absolutely insane, guys. You know how many people got liquidated in that candle? Many. A lot. A lot got liquidated in that candle. And I got triggered and filled in less than a milliseconds in Rithmic. That's the interesting part as well. So the fill in Rithmic was correct. So no problem on that side. But wow. Well, yeah, no, yeah, it will be good. Let's analyze the 1 hour chart. It was not convincing me. I was like, the 1 hour chart here took the previous high, and I was like, that does not look amazing. But I looked for a continuation higher, holding the opening print level, but it did not happen, and it is what it is. But this really sucks. But it is what it is. So on transparency on what I do, and I show you everything. But I tell you, many people here blew up today. Many people were long heavily here and they blew up. 100%. So many people. But wow. That was insane, guys. But even if I don't put my own stop market orders here, I would have freaking get out anyway somewhere here, just to the fact that this candle brought the market that quick down. Revenge trading, guys. We can revenge trading if you want. Can we revenge? Can we revenge trading, guys? It's done. I'm done. Done for after 20 minutes. I mean, I had the possibility to take another trade. The possibility is gone thanks to this to this insanity. Good luck with the short. I'm astonished by this. Slippage, bloods. Slippage. I got my stop loss was here. And I got filled here. 30-point slippage. 30 points. 30 points slippage. $30-point slippage, guys. Absolutely insane. Never seen something like that. Never, even during tariff news, I was not getting something like this. I was getting 10, 15 points. Then I was panicking, but 30, never seen that. Never seen something like that. So I hope, guys, you are not in a position like me, where you get destroyed by this candle. I really hope so. Man, Sam, you saved yourself, man. Sam, you saved yourself from a loss there. Absolutely insane. This was horrible. You jumped out of the boat like as soon as you saw it was like, okay, I'm out. The algos are playing. They're playing dirty, man. They're playing dirty on us, on me. Absolutely insane. So now it's yeah, man. I was speaking with Luca in the other chat here. Man, I was silent for a minute. I swear to you. If for a minute I was just emotional control, emotional control, emotional control, emotional control, emotional control. Because if not, I swear to you, it's gonna take this laptop and make it fly. Let's see if another entry would have come, we kind of play it in a fake way. But yes, right now we're back. I could have definitely waited a little bit more than being aggressive. But as well, I've done the same yesterday. I was aggressive yesterday on my entry here after 10 minutes, and I went long and it worked out. So at the same time, I can say the same things here. Probably I could have done just waited that the 15 minutes candle was gonna get closer, the 15 minutes range that are the worst range to be in. But yeah, I was a bit aggressive. I looked for it. Yeah, I should maybe wait for 15 minutes to be close before trying to take any trade or close to it. So yeah, sucks. Right now. We just wait. By the way, this was the opening print level. What the heck? I put my opening print level here. Then this trade even made more sense to me, even more now that it hold the opening print level we were gonna push. Even right now with my opening print level is here, it makes even more sense. Yeah, it was an odd scenario. You're right on that, guy, man. I like you. You put some sense on me. Because yeah, yesterday it worked out. Yeah, these things. Now that moved my opening print level, I realized was even a better setup because we were literally above the opening print level. Yeah, not my fault. Not my fault. That's the point, you know. That's when we speak about randomness of trading, right? On a singular trade. So right now, you start to think about strategy. You start to think about where my strategy did a mistake. But in reality, that was random. That was random. 30-point slippage. What the fuck? Absolutely insane, guys. I don't know. What is the biggest slippage you ever got in your life? Because that for me is 30 points right now. There is nothing else more than that. I'm gonna go out for a run today. Oh my god. Only 2 points? Oh, you still have to discover then the word of NQ slippage. Yeah, you're gonna start getting more soon. When you trade the NQ, especially the first hour. After the first hour, not that much anymore because you don't have that volatility. But this was insane. I mean, even right now, when we were getting 8-10 points, it was a lot. Right, Mufti? Hello, Mufti. Did I say hi? Man, that was insane, man. That was bullshit. That was really bullshit. I would have accepted a loss, no problem. I'll accept a loss. $200. It's a good risk. It allows me to take another trade if I have the opportunity. Oh my god, guys, what is this today? Is something happening today? We're getting these moves that are insane. Shut the fuck up. Incredible, guys. Sorry if I am swearing a lot today, but it's it got me. Do we have some news today on this on the news page there? News feed. Yeah, Mar. Yeah, today is bullshit. Really, today is bullshit, guys. We have a holiday on Friday. Oh no, Thursday is Thursday is holiday, not Friday. Okay, Thursday is holiday. So Thursday, I don't have a live stream on Thursday. Okay. FOMC interest tomorrow. That's gonna be interesting, guys. Oh. We're getting right now the push. That is my patience did not pay this time. I have all time to take a trade and I took it a bit too early. But it was a good signal. We entered. The only things maybe was this week. Without this week, maybe more confirmation because this week we got some sellers, especially after grabbing these highs. Now we grab these lows and we're able to push higher after we grabbing these lows. So it's a matter as well what we still have not grabbed, right? That I have to remember. I looked at these highs, previous highs. We didn't grab yet these highs. And I'm like, okay, we might push to grab these highs of yesterday, but still on a smaller liquidity levels. It looked to grab this one, and then right now it's looking to push. It is what it is. What can we do, guys? What can we do? We can cry. By the way, are we close to 20,000 people in this page? 10 more people in the subscriber to get 2,000 people. I want to say 20,000. I wish 20,000. 2,000 more, 10 more people for 2,000 subscribers, guys. And as you can see, usually I'm a bit more patient than today. I wanted to be aggressive to look for to be more aggressive in general, but today didn't pay off, and I got schooled by a slippage. Unfortunately, it is what it is. I cannot do much than that. Right now we're pushing above the 50 minutes. Oh, that's a nice push there. This candle, how is this candle wick there? How much is it? $130. Almost. This can be almost a good one as well. Stop loss here, and you look for a push higher. But now we are getting out from the 50 minutes range. It is here. Let's see if we're gonna keep it. We're gonna keep breaking above. It's very annoying. Very, very annoying. I don't know. What are you trading, guys, right now? Tell me, what are you trading? Because I'm getting destroyed here. Maybe if it doesn't close above the resistance, I'm chilling. If it does not, WealthChart, like above here, you want a 5 minutes or a 1 minute closing above? Good point. Good point. Closing candle is confirmation. Something like that. Liked it. I like it. I like it. What do you use as a stop loss? Do you use the closing moment as an entry, or you have to then wait for a break of that candle? It's 4 p.m. here in my place, and for the moment today, I did 700 steps. I didn't still move. The only steps I've done is from here to the kitchen, 3 times. First close above and then break of that candle. Love that. Love that. Let's see right now. This market is playing with you guys. Playing with you, is playing with me. It's playing with everyone. Abdel, are you reversing the 15-minute strategy? Because that's one. That's one. Is it as well this one? This one maybe no. This one no. But this one not really. Because Abdel is reversing the 15-minute strategy and it's working out for him. And it's no so fast today. Freaking hell. But today it worked. This one would have worked out, reversing the 15 minutes break. So right now no breaks are working, so it's so funny when you. What are you doing? Changing. WealthChart is coming. WealthChart is coming with a great update, and you will love it because you're gonna be able to change contract in 1 second. It's gonna come for next week. Yeah, WealthChart is updating every week, so that is the beauty. Like that's what I said during the video. That's why I advise them as a platform, is because they are doing updates every week. They listen to people and they listen to their the big affiliate that they use as well, WealthChart, and they're like, tell us what your people say, and we look into it and work on it, and they're really doing it. So where do you focus your strategy? Wait for 15 minutes breakout? I do focus my strategy in direction first, 1 hour and 30 minutes and 5 minutes. And if they are all on the same direction, or at least 1 hour and 5 minutes, 30 minutes and 5 minutes, then I will look for the bias. And then what I will do is I will try to look for candles like this one with a big wick below that shows me that buyers are there, and I will look for the break of it above. Usually then I'm more like as a breaker retest guy, but sometimes I try to be aggressive at the start of the day when I look at the direction. I'm like, okay, it's holding the opening print level, let's continue for a continuation higher. But I did too much anticipation here. I messed up. Yeah, Nick, welcome. I got 30 points slippage, my friend. My stop loss was here, brother. Was here. I got 30 points slippage. Yeah, no worries, guys. It's okay. I'm honest with you. That's unfortunately what happens. Yeah, I got 30 points slippage. 30 points. You know. At least like let me say the good side. I would probably would have taken this trade and be in a long position right now, and almost be stopped out. So I think it would have been probably a double loss day. Yeah, 30 points. It's insane. Price action is awful. Jackie, you're totally right. Price action today, I don't want to say swearing word too much during this live, then I will be blocked. But yeah, it's playing with me. It's definitely playing with me. Absolutely insane. If you go back to the stream, and go to where when I get stopped out and see how much slippage I got there. Absolutely insane. Never got it. I never got so much slippage in my life. I've been trading for almost 5 years right now. What was this, a penny stock? If it was like a penny stock, I would be like, fine, it's a penny stock. I'm a high risk trader. that's part of the risk, right? You get big slippage if a buyer or a seller steps in and buys a lot of contracts in one shot, and your order is gonna get filled only after his order, and then you're like, freaking hell. But that sucks. That sucks. Ay, 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 guys. Ay, 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 ay. What can we do? Yeah, yes, it does. The patience thing is gonna be it was the patience today. New day tomorrow. See you, bro. Yeah, see you, Mufti. Thank you for coming as always. Hope you did good to cap your trading and your loss. Tomorrow is FMC as well. We have to be careful. Thursday is holiday, so it's a shitty week, I think. Probably is not the best week to trade. I'm gonna say. Tomorrow FMC and Thursday is holiday. Not the best. So remember, guys, if you want to get Apex Trader Funding accounts, you can always use my code. I'll give you 80% off right now. And it's there. It's just my name, Hamza. You can use it as many times as you can, and it supports the channels and Discord. And Discord is free. You can come to the Discord. It's free. Discord is free, guys. You can come, chat with other people, ask them whatever you want to ask. People are there, are very nice. It's pushing still. Man, just watched it back. Brutal. Are you right? It was okay. I have to say that I could have been a little bit more patient on the trade, wait a little bit more. But even with that, at least I would be like 5-6 points slippage. In the last period, I have been like normal. But freaking 30 points? That's brutal as hell. That was brutal. And not even to say slippage on some accounts and slippage on the other accounts. No, slippage on every freaking accounts on the same amount. I got filled on each one of them at the same level. But it's normal because when you in a simulated environment, if I'm not if I did not misunderstand, each account copy traded is no, this one is yeah, this is true. In a simulated environment, if you copy trade, each account has its own life and its own trade and its own feel and its own interaction with the market, as it should be as well in the real. So many people, every time they say, but why I copy trade it? It should have had my same take profit and my same stop loss and the same pata some fields. No, each account will do will interact with the market in a different way compared to when the order was created, when it was put in the system. If the copy moment had a little bit delay and the order was created slightly delay, then it's going to be in a different position in the queue to get filled. So it's everyone thinks, oh, it's a copy trade, means that the account will have the same exactly fill, like it happened in my case here. But no, each account has its own life. The moment you copy, you're just copying the order. It doesn't mean that you're going to have the same fields and the same interaction with the market. So for the moment, my second real possible entry was here, and still for the moment, it's kind of working there. Unfortunately, I not taking it. This was a possible trade. After especially we grab these lows. Yeah, to be honest, the moment you wait for some loss to get grabbed like this here, then I wait for a entry signal candle like this one, this strong one here, then it becomes a little bit easier. Risk reward 1-to-1. That's yeah, some improvements has to be done always, but is what it is. Is what it is. It is what it is. Guys. It is what it is. Brutal situation. I do like the longs, eh? I do like the longs. Look at these longs. What is the green and gray mean? To be honest, I really don't know. But all accounts are alive and active, just to show you. It just I still don't understand why Rithmic sometimes it shows them as gray and gray. To be honest. Yeah, but no, they are not liquidated, by the way. They're not liquidated. They are all still active. Can you see them? Yeah, you can see it. So yeah, no, they are all still active and not liquidated. So, but I really don't know. I also never understood what is that gray things. But it is what it is. Did yeah? If I have to be like more strict on myself, I could have waited for some lows to get grabbed at the beginning, at least to show me some things before going for a long position. It grabbed these lows, came back, grabbed these lows, and came back, went above. And right now it's coming to these highs here of pre-market. Yeah, I could have done much better in this trade. But even with that, I would have gotten probably long here, losing these lows, trying to get my second trade win. But unfortunately, because I got 30 point slippage, I got my max loss. My max loss is more important than any profit and loss. So I have to respect it. And that's what I always preach here, guys, is I don't look at the P&L. I don't look at the P&L. I look at the P&L because in this case I looked at my max loss. So that's one of my rule. But I don't look at the fact that, for example, I can take on my second trade because my max, this slippage, it's no. The max loss is there as well to make you control situation of days like this. Even if right now it's pushing above in my direction I was looking for, it is what it is. Done for the day. Damn, I was a bit scared about this huge down candle. You did amazing. If you went long for definitely after this one, it grabbed definitely people here. It stopped a lot of people, and it just went skyrocketing right now. This is perfect longs. It was definitely a much better trade. If I waited a little bit more, this was an easier trade. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Oh my god, guys. People might see my life as boring. This guy does not take many trades. This guy is too disciplined. But my idea is to become profitable and continuing to be much higher profitable, not to get rich by affiliate and get people just using my code over and over again. There is some I have some kind of like respect to myself on a way that I'm like, I respect myself on I want to achieve this for myself. I want to be good at this for myself. And be like, one day I look at myself and be like, I've done it. I'm one of the one. Look at the chart is that you got in where a lot of things are chasing, which means if it starts selling lots of stops, get hit. Always better to wait for longs to get stopped for first and get in. Yeah, Nick, I have to improve on that, to be honest. I really have to improve on that things of waiting for some longs to get stopped out before getting in. Let's say, for example, yesterday. This one came out to worked out very well, but also one thing is we can see is that some people got stopped out here a little bit. This was much clearer than yesterday. Was much clearer. What was this opening? 9:30. I mean, we stopped out kind of these people. and then the market reversed, went higher, we went long. My second long here, I went, but it went long after when it stopped out even more people lower here. Yeah, honestly, this was nice. It came out to be super nice, and I liked it, to be honest. But even with that, this one has better logic, breaker test of this level as well. It worked out very nice. This one was not the best. And this one right now, when I look into it, let me increase it. And this one, I call the price action was already shit when I'm reading a range. So taking the break high here, it's good chance we're gonna get rejected. Now it happens once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So getting short here, long here, it was just a statistic game to getting rejected again, to be honest. This was as well another mistake. So why I'm trying to go long in this area? It already rejected, just better to wait. I think this is mostly the mistakes I've done here. That's what I think mostly the mistakes I've done here. Is going long against all this pre-market price action shit. So tomorrow let's look more into this. Go ask me anything for you. Ask me anything, Nick. So this was definitely some things that I should have avoided. And or if I wanted to risk it, like we said before, waiting for something to grab, come back higher and look for the break higher, right? Okay, this was a bad draw. Got a question for you. Might be a light bulb. Make me rich. Oh, so that's kind of my theory. Can we predict that what people will do who are into currently in position? It's kind of my theory. Can we predict what people will do who are into currently in positions? Corey. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Can we predict what people will do who are not currently in positions? Hmm. 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 I see your point on that. For example, you might say here many people will look for longs. Here definitely people will start to look for longs soon, but some of them will need to have to get stopped out first. Some could look for shorts, yes. Some could look for shorts because we're rejecting a resistance. Remy, make a big trade. I want to see actions. I wish, man. I wish I was blowing accounts like other fake traders online. Yeah, that's even possible. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes, Nick. Okay. And I need to still get to your point here because you are trying to get to a point. The point is coming. Waiting. I'm waiting. I have a few more minutes. Is it possible to predict what people do who are in position? That yes. That yes. That's the point, I think, right? So let's think about how do you predict that? How many? How do you predict that? Let me think about that. Is it possible to predict what people do who are in position? How do you predict that? I'm gonna predict on the fact where they might put stop loss, right? If they go long here, the stop loss will be here or here where I put it. Or if they go short here, the stop loss would be here. Right now, these people that went short here, the people that went short here, they had their stop loss here or here. So only take trades when we know people are already in a position that isn't working. So because that kind of has to happen, right? Yes, that's what I'm thinking about. Like when you said, because for me, sometimes I take good trades, sometimes I take bad trades. I have to really start to remove bad trades. So I have to really remove people getting stopped out. Like me in a stupid way. So I really need to remove that shitty things. Like here, let's say all these people that went long here, right now we don't have, they were gonna get stopped out here, we don't have any more longs. And finally the market can go higher. And this moment I will look for longs. And I will gonna look for longs. Choose 2:00, you mean 2 a.m. Eastern time? Eastern time, are you saying Eastern time? Or 2 what? Yeah, 2 Eastern time. So this one here? Or this one here? 2 for this one, I guess. Second one, okay. So this one. So isn't it true was a flag breaks things, the attempted breakout failed, and after it came up. Okay. Oh, why this one did not work out is because it didn't take any loss here. It didn't take any of these lows. We didn't grab any liquidity. It came out, stopped out the people that were shorting, came back down, stopped out all these people were buying for the break, and then came back up. So breakouts can work out of nothing but relies on buyers coming in. Yes. So I guess that's the point, you know, right? Right now we're still freaking rejecting that. But I guess that's the point, is that here we came above up to the highs, but in reality we never grabbed any freaking low to get some people stopped out. 645. Same things here. We came lower, but we never grabbed any of these previous low to get the push low, I mean, we kind of grabbed this one, but we're still far and away right now, I guess. Let me go back to the past where I took some trades. Can I see previous trades? This is NQ. no, it's a very good point what you say, Nick, and I like it. I do like it, to be honest. I just need to improve it on for myself right now and keep. I really need to stop taking random trades until I don't see that some people that were in the direction I'm looking for have been stopped out and have been taken care out. Valknut, you did amazing, my friend. This shitty price action, you did freaking amazing to leave. That things you did amazing. You did amazing, man. This is a win. Take it like you have done like a maximum win trade, because that would have been a maximum loss trades. You kind of won twice. Gold. 915 try to break out. I'd like 915 try to break out. Oh, we are chopping around as well here in Bitcoin, in gold. I don't know what I don't know what I will take here in any case scenario. But after he grabbed this, oh my god. But something I will change is gonna be that one, Nick, from tomorrow. Is gonna be waiting for direction after liquidity has been grabbed, because it's been a killer for me to be liquidity grabbed many times. I've been the one, so I have to move to that, far away from that. But wait, I have to leave, guys. Thank you, Nick, for the chat. It has been very nice, so appreciate your time. We can definitely talk more about this. I like it. Definitely some improvements here have to be done, but at least I'm not blowing accounts, even if today has not been an amazing day for this loss. But appreciate you guys for the help. Appreciate each one of you. Today loss is accepted. Slippage got me, but I could have done better. And we take it. We take it as a lesson, and we move on. And we're gonna work on it together. You come here, we work on it together every day. Shukran to you guys. Have a beautiful time, guys. Good luck on your trading session today. And if you're green, you've done amazing. If you've not traded, you've done amazing. And if you're red but you follow the rules, you've done amazing. Have a beautiful day, guys.